In this video, I'm going to show you how to start your own news channel with Vidnoz.com. Step-by-step tutorial Vidnoz.com, a platform that lets you create and distribute video news content easily and affordably. Whether you want to cover local, national, or international news, Vidnoz.com can help you reach your audience and grow your brand. So let's get started. Step 1. What is Vidnoz.com and why use it? Vidnoz.com is a website that allows you to create and manage your own news channel online. You can upload your own videos or use their library of stock footage and images to create engaging news stories. You can also add voiceovers, captions, transitions, and music to your videos using their simple and intuitive editor. Vidnoz.com also helps you distribute your news content to various platforms, such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, with just a few clicks. Vidnoz.com is a great tool for anyone who wants to start their own news channel because it offers many benefits, such as it's easy to use. You don't need any technical skills or expensive equipment to create professional-looking news videos. You can do everything from your browser, using your laptop or smartphone. It's affordable. You can start with a free plan, which gives you access to 10 GB of storage and 100 minutes of video per month. You can also upgrade to a premium plan, which starts from $99.99 per month and gives you more storage, more video minutes, and more features. It's affordable. You can choose the topics, style, and tone of your news content and customize it to suit your audience and niche. You can also decide how often and when you want to publish your news videos and how long they should be. Step 2. How to sign up for Vidnoz.com and create your channel. To start using Vidnoz.com, you need to sign up for an account and create your channel. Here are the steps to do that. Go to Vidnoz.com and click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your name, email, and password and click on the Create Account button. You can also sign up with your Google or Facebook account if you prefer. You will receive a confirmation email from Vidnoz.com. Click on the link in the email to verify your account and activate your channel. You will be redirected to your dashboard, where you can see your channel name, logo, and description. Congratulations, you have successfully created your channel on Vidnoz.com. Now, you are ready to create your first news video. Step 3. How to create your first news video with Vidnoz.com. You need to follow these steps. Click on the Create Video button at the top right corner of your dashboard. You will see a list of templates that you can use to create your news video. You can browse through the templates by category, such as breaking news, politics, sports, entertainment, etc. You can also search for a template by keyword, using the search bar at the top of the page. Once you find a template that you like, click on the Use Template button. You will be taken to the video editor, where you can customize the template to your liking. You can change the title, subtitle, and text of your news video by clicking on the text boxes and typing your own content. You can also change the font, size, color, and alignment of the text, using the toolbar at the top of the editor. You can change the images and videos of your news video by clicking on the media boxes and selecting your own media. You can upload your own media from your computer or use Vidnoz.com library of stock media. You can also crop, trim, rotate, and resize your media using the toolbar at the top of the editor. You can add voiceovers to your news video by clicking on the microphone icon at the bottom of the editor. You can record your own voice or use Vidnoz.com's text-to-speech feature, which converts your text into speech. You can choose from different languages, accents, and voices to suit your audience and niche. You can add captions to your news video by clicking on the CC icon at the bottom of the editor. You can choose to auto-generate captions or manually type your own captions. You can also edit the captions and change their font, size, color, and position using the toolbar at the top of the editor. You can add transitions to your news video by clicking on the T icon at the bottom of the editor. You can choose from different types of transitions, such as fade, slide, wipe, etc., to make your news video more smooth and dynamic. You can add music to your news video by clicking on the music icon at the bottom of the editor. You can choose from Vidnoz.com's library of royalty-free music or upload your own music from your computer. You can also adjust the volume and duration of the music using the toolbar at the top of the editor. You can preview your news video by clicking on the Preview button at the top right corner of the editor. You can see how your news video looks and sounds, and make any changes if needed. Once you are happy with your news video, click on the Save button at the top right corner of the editor. You can name your news video and add some tags and a description to help people find your news video and your channel. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.